Hey folks, Ralf with Stray Benzes here. In today's episode, I'm going to go over a topic that buffets me a little bit because off and on I hear folks who still don't know how to prop up the hood on old Benzes from the 80s all the way up to the 90s, late 90s, of how to unlock or use the safety lock mechanisms on the hood to be able to prop it up 90 degrees. So here we go. The hood, open it, all right, and then you go to the driver's side mechanism and you disengage that one like so, that it stays in this unlocked position, and then you go to the passenger side and you push that one down and the hood up just a little bit so it cannot snap back on you, and now you can push the hood up all the way. And this one on the driver's side is the one that locks it so when some wind comes, it doesn't smack you in the forehead. In order to close the hood, you need to push this one down and push the hood down. And now you can see that those things snap back. Now it's back in the regular position. And it only goes up to like 45 degrees, 50 degrees. And that's all there is to it. Working on your old cars is fun. It is to me anyway. So enjoy, like the video, share the video, give me a couple of tips of what to do next. And until sometime.